Alright, welcome back to another weather video. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe if you want more of these videos, and let's get right into this video. So we have a very active weather pattern coming up over the next several days, even more coming up. So winter is not done yet, and severe weather is starting to come a little bit more into play. And we have major droughts breaking out, and so much more. So let's get right into it. So we have red flag warnings going across Colorado, Texas, New Mexico, and we have some going on in Oklahoma, and then we have some winter weather breaking out across here. And we have a major wind event slash winter event coming in. We have a major storm coming in on the west coast, and we have some snow, some winter weather breaking out, and some lake effect snows breaking out. And just today, we had a nor'eastern hit with major blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions. Semi, it was snow falling. I would say a foot to 42 inches of snow in some of these areas today, which was absolutely nuts. And we have some we have Arctic air reaching down in the south again because of uh, the nor'eastern or the snow cane that some people were calling it today because it was relevant to a category 2 hurricane. So, um, well, I don't think we have no severe weather right now. Um, but we do have some fire risk to talk about. So we have a critical fire danger going on across Colorado, New Mexico, and Texas, and tomorrow. And we have a elevated fire risk um, across Colorado, Texas, Oklahoma, a little bit of Arkansas and Missouri. So uh, that is for tomorrow. So and then we have next 3 to 5 days. So it looks like we are going to have a fire risk across New Mexico on day 3. And probably like 3 counties in Texas. So yeah, and then we're gonna and then day 3 we're gonna have uh, a crucial fire risk and then that critical fire risk there. So yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, don't know why that's there. There we go. So let's go ahead and check out the drought monitor. So as you guys can see, the drought out here is getting worse. The drought right out here is getting worse. There's a new drought developing across the Midwest and the upper Midwest. There is a drought that's getting worse across the Northeast. So if you live in these drought areas, I don't see it improving anytime soon right now by what the models are showing. And we have a drought, looks like we have a drought developing in Hawaii, which is not good. But right now, Florida is actually under a state of emergency because of how bad their drought is. right now they shouldn't be, or this time of year, their drought would technically be developing quickly, but of the fact that we had no hurricanes or no tropical weather um, to help over the summer fall actually actually made their drought even worse than what it would be. So yeah, and then the state that I live in, um, I'm actually in the severe drought, which snow doesn't really help a drought. Snow doesn't. I mean, it gives the ground moisture, but just the top layers. It doesn't actually cure a drought. So rain actually cures the drought. So yeah. So we have our bomb cyclone right here, with our winds going this way, which is delivering quite hurricane force winds and very strong and some storm surge across here. But yeah, so that was today. So as we push that out, because we have a basically a category 2 snow came there. As you as we can see here, you know what, we are uh there we go. All right, that's the way I want it. So as that moves out, and uh the reason that we have this cold air swinging down is because of this bomb cyclone. So, so as that keeps moving, we are going to have a warm sector building, which this is going to be our next storm system that we're going to be watching for. And then over the next few days, we'll need to watch the system up here, right about here. This is going to be an Alberta Clipper that's going to slide in, and with the cold air being in place, um, with the cold air being in place, it's going to give the Northeast probably I would say 1 to 3, another 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches with that system. Not loading. Let's go to 12Z. This is not loading properly. We may have to switch. Yeah, we're just gonna have to switch. I don't like the GFS. European model shows stuff better. So, so as you guys can see here, here's our Alberta Clipper moving on in, going to deliver the Northeast probably 1 to 3 inches snow, and then our snow system, and then our system out towards the west. Uh, System here we're going to need a watch for because it might uh do another northeastern, but not as strong as the last one that hit. So, but we do need to watch it because of the fact that it may bring some severe weather across here. And then it may bring some wintry a wintry precip across the lower northeast. Across there, yes. So we're likely going to have to watch this one for severe weather, more likely. And then we're a little over 100 hours out, and it looks like another Alberta Clipper comes in from there. and it goes out towards the northeast, and it does nothing. This is about almost 200 hours out, which is up in the air now, right now. But it looks like another storm system uh comes in, which may bring some may bring some strong storms across here. I don't know what I was trying to do there. It may bring some strong storms there. I want to say severe, but maybe some strong storms there. But like I said, we're well over 200 hours out for that. And then we're about around March now, I would say. Yeah, we're about around March 7th. March 7th, and then we're looking at um likely a major tornado outbreak across that area, but we are way too far out. But it looks like we are going to have a very active pattern coming up, and then right here would be another severe weather outbreak. So yeah, so winter's not done yet, and we got some major, and we got winter's not done yet, and we have a very active winter pattern coming up. So you would call it winter 2.0. Winter 2.0 is here. So stay tuned for these weather forecasts. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow with another new video. Peace.